Good morning, my young friends. We are learning Revati's musical plants. Revati's musical plants. We have studied about the first passage. Let us continue that story of the Revati. On page number 17, the next evening too, she played on her violin as usual and watched the potted plants with care. After some time, like the previous day, there was a definite movement in her plants. You have to listen carefully. After listening, we are going to discuss about that passage. With the help of questions and answers, we learn. You know it. Okay. The next evening, too, she played on her violin as usual and watched the potted plants with care. After some time, like the previous day, there was a definite movement in her plants. They all bent towards her. This astonished, this amazed and surprised her. The day also there was no breeze. That day also there was no any gentle wind, but the plants all bent towards her when she played on her violin. Revati sat on the bench and played a different tune, one with a quick rhythm. She suddenly saw all plants turn away from her as though they did not like what she was playing. Then she started playing her favorite tune again, and the plants slowly straightened, settled themselves, and bent towards her. Her surmise, her gaze became a certainty. Her gaze, her surmise became a reliability. Her plants loved to hear her favorite tune. I am going to repeat the last sentence of the paragraph. Her plants loved to hear her favorite tune. She kept the knowledge a secret. Revati kept the knowledge confidential, secret. She did not tell anyone, not even her mother. There were only a few days left for the prize distribution. To her great surprise, Revati found her potted plants not only taller and healthier than other blossom plants, but that they had started flowering a few days earlier than the other plants. The flowers were big and brightly colored, and one of the plants had an unusual kind of flower. The flower, the flowers were mauve with white strips. Don't disturb. Mute your mics. The flowers were mauve with white strips. Mauve. Yum. A-U-V-E. Now there is a word Yum. A-U-V-E. Mauve. Mauve means of a pale purple color. Meaning has been given in the book. Use your textbooks. Khanvilkar, what are you doing? The flowers were surely with white mauve with white strips. That evening, she knew she would definitely get the prize for the best plants. She went to bed dreaming of her plants and the new type of flowers. The next day was the all important day. She got up in the morning and went straight to the courtyard to see her plants. Revati blinked for a few minutes, for there was neither the pot nor the plants. She looked to see if someone had moved the pot. She searched all over. She searched all over. She looked. She explored all over. She asked her mother. Her mother said she knew nothing either about the pot or the plants. Some of the neighbors had been to their house the previous afternoon. Some of the neighbors, next door people, had been to their house the earlier afternoon and had remarked at the beautiful flowers and the healthy looking plants in the pot. And they commented, the neighbors commented at the beautiful flowers and the healthy looking plants in the pot. But later, she had been busy inside the house and had not been to the courtyard. Now, I have read the passage. Let us learn with the help of different questions. Someone's mic is on. Please off the mic. Someone's mic is on. Please off your mics and listen carefully. Now, tell whether the following statements are true or false. You have to tell the statement true or false. Okay, are you ready? Listen the first sentence. Revati's plants liked the tune with the quick rhythm. Who is going to repeat? Who is going to repeat the sentence? Yes, Nilang. Nilang, repeat the sentence. Revati's plants. Yes, ठीक है. Revati's plants. Say plants. Okay. Revati's plants liked the tune with the quick rhythm. Yes, who is going to tell the answer true or false? Only you have to say true or false. Yes, Paras. False. Okay. I am going to repeat the sentence and answer also. Listen carefully. Revati's plants liked the tune with the quick rhythm. What is the answer? False. Second sentence. Revati's potted plants were not as tall or healthy as the other blossom plants. Listen carefully. If you listen carefully, you are able to answer. Revati's potted plants were not as tall or healthy as the other blossom plants. Yes, true or false? Umesh? Umesh? False. Revati's potted plants were not as tall or healthy as the other blossom plants. This statement is false. Third, the flowers on her plant had bright and unusual colors. The flowers on her plant had bright and unusual colors. Yes, who is going to answer? Piyush, is it possible to answer? The flowers on her plant had bright and unusual colors. Piyush. True. The flowers on her plant had bright and unusual colors. True. Yes. Revati's mother had no knowledge about her plants. Fourth sentence, fourth statement. Revati's mother had no knowledge about her plants. Yes, Arjun Desai. Desai. True. Revati's mother had no knowledge about her plants. True. Now listen the next question. Complete the following. You have to complete the following statement or sentence. Revati's grief knew no bounds because dash dash. Revati's grief knew no bounds because dash dash. Yes, is it possible to answer? Mithilesh Pandarkar, sit properly. Mithilesh, sit properly. Mithilesh Pandarkar. Now listen. Sit properly. Now, what is the sentence? Revati's grief knew no bounds because I am going to tell. Try to recall, try to understand. Revati's grief knew no bounds because she could not find her pot of blossom plants. Why she was unhappy? Because she could not find her pot of blossom plants. Now listen the next question. It's easy. Try to answer. How the plants responded. How the plants responded to the fast rhythmic music. How the plants responded to the fast rhythmic music related to fast rhythmic music. Yes, listen the question again. Yes, 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 your answer is correct. Listen carefully. Who is going to repeat the answer? How the plants responded to the fast rhythmic music. When Revati played a tune with a quick rhythm, listen the answer. When Revati played a tune with a quick rhythm, the plants turned away from her. The plants turned away from her as though they did not like what she was playing. Listen the answer carefully. Listen the answer carefully. I am going to repeat. When Revati played a tune with a quick rhythm, the plants turned away from her as though they did not like what she was playing. Do you understand? Yes, who is going to repeat the answer? Nilang? Nilang, is it possible to repeat the answer? How the plants responded to the fast rhythmic music. Nilang, is it possible? Siddesh, are you going to listen? Yes, Nilang. Yes, yes, you have to listen the question carefully. You have to tell about the response of the plants at the time of fast rhythmic music. At the time of fast rhythmic music. Listen again. Okay. Listen and try to understand. I am going to read the question also and I am going to tell the answer also. You have to listen carefully. How the plants responded to the fast rhythmic music. When Revati played a tune with a quick rhythm, the plants turned away from her. The plants turned away from her as though they did not like what she was playing. Okay, now the next question. It is also a simple question. Try to answer. Try to find out the answer in the passage. You have to learn yourself, that is important. Okay. How the plants responded when Revati played her favorite tune. How the plants responded when Revati played her favorite tune. Let us see who is going to answer. Who is going to answer? Let us see. Akshat Desai. Yes, Akshat Desai. How the plants responded? Find out in the passage. Find out in the passage. Answer is there in the passage. Only you have to search it. You have to find out it. How the plants responded when Revati played her favorite tune. I am going to tell you the answer. Paras, is it possible to answer? Paras. Yes, answer it. You have to raise your finger if you are able to answer. Okay. Yes, Paras. Her. Huh, huh. Yes, yes. Yes. Very nice answer. Very nice. Now, Gauresh, are you going to try? Gauresh. Yes, on your mic. Gauresh. Gauresh, on your mic. Yes. Now, try to answer. Okay, ठीक है. Now listen. Yeah, Gauresh. Okay, ठीक है. Gauresh, Revati is a girl. Don't use his. Okay, is that clear? Now listen. Off your mic and listen. When Revati played her favorite tune on her violin, when Revati played her favorite tune on her violin, the plants all bent their stems towards her. The plants all bent their stems towards her, even though there was no breeze. Even though there was no breeze. Yes. Let us take simple questions. Okay. Vocabulary based questions. Activities. Add the appropriate prefix to make the following words opposite in meaning. What you have to do? Listen. You have to add prefix and frame opposite meaning words. Very simple. Let us see who is going to tell. Definite. Definite. Yes. What is the opposite of definite? With the help of adding prefix, frame it. Indefinite. Definite. Indefinite. We have to add in. Definite. Definite. Okay. Siddesh, listen carefully. What is the spelling of definite? Definite. अरे yes, listen carefully. Definite. Definite. Its opposite word indefinite. 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 We have added in for making antonym, for making opposite word. Now next word is known. Suyesh Gavas. Known. Tell the spelling of known. Tell the Suyesh. Suyesh, I want spelling from Suyesh. Don't make hurry. Yes, you are clever, I know. Don't make noise. Don't on your mics. If needed, you have to on your mics. Siddesh, off your mic. Siddesh, off your mic. Now listen, definite, indefinite. Known, Known. Known. Known, its opposite word is unknown. UN, Known. Known, unknown. Now let us see the third word, certain. Who is going to tell? Certain. Raise your hand or tell. Certain. 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 You have to tell. Yes, Paras. 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 Yes, anyone is going to tell? Siddesh. Siddesh. Yes. On it. Very nice. Akshat Desai. Akshat. Certain. Certain. Uncertain. Off the mics. If you off your mics, you are able to listen. If you off your mics, you are able to listen. Now, next word. Important. You have to tell the antony of yes. Now, my mic is on also. Yes, listen now. Important. Opposite word. Unimportant. Okay. Who is going to tell the spelling of unimportant? Vedant Khanvilkar. Tell the spelling of unimportant. Vedant. I want answer from Vedant. Yes. Vedant, on your mic. On your mic. Yes. Unimportant. Tell the spelling of unimportant. Learn yourself. It is important. Govind. Govind Kadam, newcomer. Yes. Good. Yes. Now, off your mics. Off your mics, all of you. And I am going to tell that person is going to repeat all those words, all those four pairs. I think you have noted down. Have you noted down or not? Let it be. Listen now. Now note down. Definite, indefinite, known, unknown, certain, uncertain, important, unimportant. Let us see who is going to repeat. Yes, Paras. Paras. Yes. Hmm. ओके ठीक है और कोई सिद्धेश इज इट पॉसिबल टू रिपीट यस ऑन योर माइंड अरे 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 यस wrong pronunciations definite undefinite definite indefinite known not known listen known 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 don't say known k is silent there known unknown okay yes continue good very nice अच्छी बात है now let us go ahead pick out the conjunctions in the following sentences pick out the conjunctions in the following sentences what we have to do we have to find out conjunctions okay do you understand listen we have studied parts of speech noun pronoun verb adverb, adjective, conjunction, preposition, interjection. These are the parts of speech. Now, what you have to do, you have to find out the conjunctions from the sentences. I am going to read the first sentence. Her mother said she knew nothing either about the pot or the plants. Listen carefully. Her mother said she knew nothing either about the pot or the plants. Which conjunctions have been used in this sentence to join the words? Yes, yes, correct. Either or. Hmm. I either or. Okay, EITHER, either, and next word has been used or. Either or. Hmm. Her mother said she knew nothing either about the pot or the plants. Okay, now the second sentence. The flowers were big and brightly colored, and one of the plants had an unusual kind of flower. That sentence is there in the textbook. The flowers were big and brightly colored, and one of the plants had an unusual kind of flower. From this sentence, you have to tell conjunctions, joining words. Conjunction means, in simple, hey, who is speaking? Mithilesh. Mithilesh, off your mic. Hmm. The flowers were big and brightly colored, and one of the plants had an unusual kind of flower. Now, in this sentence, and has been used, which is the conjunction and. How many times? Arey, who is disturbing? I don't like it. Mithilesh, sit properly. I don't like it. In this sentence, conjunction and has been used 2 times. Okay. Who is going to read the sentence and telling the conjunction? Govind Kadam. Yes. Read the sentence and tell the conjunction. Yes. Govind. Try. Yes. Did not get the sentence. Listen the sentence. The flowers were big and brightly colored, and one of the plants had an unusual kind of flower. Sentence is there in the passage. You have to try yourself. If you try yourself, it will be the learning. Yes, Paras had got it. Paras. Paras. Repeat it. Conjunction. Which conjunction has been used? And. Okay. Now, one important question you have to note down. You have to write down the question and answer. Be ready. Why did Revati decide to keep her new knowledge a secret? Important question. Why did Revati decide? Write on, Mithilesh. I am going to call your father, Mithilesh. Why did Revati decide to keep her new knowledge a secret? Have you written the question? Yes, Akshat. Have you written the question? Akshat Desai. Akshat, have you written the question? Writing. Why did Revati decide to? Yes, yes. I am going to repeat. Why did Revati decide to keep her new knowledge? See this, write the spelling correctly. Knowledge. 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 New. New. Why did Revati decide to keep her new knowledge a secret? A uh, Decide to keep her new knowledge a secret. Who is going to repeat? Vignesh, is it possible to repeat? Yes, yes, yes. Read the question. Yes. Hmm. Yes. Kunal Warang, read the question. Kunal. Kunal Warang, read the question. Uh, Correct it. Correct it. No problem. You have tried. Correct the question. Why did Revati decide to keep her new knowledge a secret? I'm going to read the answer. Okay, you have to write yourself. Revati decided to keep her new knowledge a secret, perhaps because she felt that it was something only between her and her beloved plants, whom she considered her friends. Or perhaps she felt that nobody would believe her if she mentioned that her plants were music lovers. Are you writing? Yes, listen and write. 2 minutes. Okay. Revati decided, write fast. Revati decided to her keep her new knowledge, to keep her new knowledge a secret. Revati decided to keep her new knowledge a perhaps perhaps because she felt that she felt that it was something only between her and her beloved plants. Perhaps because she felt that it was something only between her and her beloved plants, whom she considered her friends. Whom she considered her friends. Or perhaps she felt that nobody would believe her if she mentioned that her plants were music lovers. Or perhaps she felt that nobody would believe her if she mentioned that her plants were music lovers. Okay, now it's time to leave. Have a nice day. You have to read that passage again carefully, and uh, and read the questions, answers carefully if you have noted down. Okay, you have to read that passage again. Have a nice day. Goodbye. Bye. Thanks. Okay, okay. Uh, okay, okay. Bye. Bye.